Hello AP Physics 1 students, welcome to week 13 of this course. You are going to be working through week 13 and 14 and looking at impulse and momentum. These are important concepts in the course as you continue to push through this semester. So congratulations on getting this far, and just keep working hard. Make sure that you are doing your reading and problem solving and everything that is necessary in order to succeed in this class. I know that it's not an easy class, and it can be demanding and challenging. So don't let up at this point. Make sure that you're continuing to push through and doing everything you need in order to succeed and finish the class. You're not far from the end of the semester. So week 13 and 14, you really just have a few more weeks to go. But make sure that you're spending the quality time in the material and not just rushing through. Okay. Um, as I said, week 13 and 14, you're going to be focusing on chapter 7, looking at impulse and momentum. As you read the chapter carefully and do the problems, make sure that you are, let me know if you have any questions. And when you turn in your homework assignment, when you get that solution back, the solution problems back, make sure you're carefully going through and making sure you're understanding everything that you missed. Okay, it's a great way to learn, actually, is from your mistakes. You're going to make mistakes. Make sure you go back and fix those mistakes, and avoid making them in the future. Um, in day 3 of week 13, there is a lab there, so you're going to be looking at collisions. So I believe that one is using an online simulation and looking at 1 and 2 dimensional collisions, because that's what comes into play when you're looking at momentum and how it's conserved. As always, make sure you contact me if you need help. And in week 13, day 4, there is your discussion where you're going to be responding to some questions and some prompts. The reading quiz is in day 5, as it usually appears in the first week of the chapter. And then when you get into week 14, you have, again, a series of video lectures for you to look at, and those will reinforce your learning and help you understand better a little bit about this particular chapter on impulse and momentum. You get your lecture quiz, and then if you need help, let me know. And then, as always, you got the chapter test there for this particular 2-week unit, chapter 7. Make sure that you're spending time to write out your work. Sometimes you may be tempted just to put down an answer and make a selection, but take the time also on the side to be writing down your work, showing your work, all the steps, so that I can see that and give you partial credit, as well as give you some feedback. If you have questions on a particular problem, it's very helpful to me for you to give me as much information as possible. Okay? Keep up the good work. Let me know if you need anything. I'm here to help.